BlackRock is secretly buying XRP behind your back. The whales and institutions are secretly buying XRP. We have some other breaking news. If you guys hold XRP or any cryptocurrencies, we're going to be talking about it right now. There is now a ceasefire in the Middle East between Iran and Israel, and they are following this agreement. This is very bullish. If you take a look at the stock market and you take a look at cryptocurrencies today, they're pumping massively, and it's likely that we have potentially bottomed, meaning that that is the lowest point we're going to see cryptos for a long time, or potentially for quite some time. If you guys love XRP, you guys hold XRP, let me know if you guys hold XRP in the comments below by posting the letter X. And also, we have so much to talk about in this video about XRP and cryptos. I'm going to be telling you guys where cryptos are headed. So make sure you guys stick around to the end of this emergency XRP video. It's going to blow your mind. You cannot miss the things that I have in store for you today. Everything has pumped up and pushed up, and this is very, very good to see. Such a strong bounce, even Bitcoin bouncing up nearly 10%. XRP, which we bought in the Patreon, bounced 15%. Dog with hat, we bought this coin. This coin bounced about 25%. I mean, a bunch of coins and altcoins that we bought are up massively from the bounce. Congratulations. We're going to be talking about where I think XRP is headed, and we have tons of breaking news to cover. So look at this. Open interest for XRP is surging at a massive rate, hitting $4 billion amid a 6% move today. When you have open interest spiking with price, that is typically bullish because it shows you the interest in the futures market is continuing to rise. The amount of positions are continuing to open, so people are bullish, speculating on higher prices. Trump also announced that the Iran-Israel, there is a ceasefire. With this ceasefire, ladies and gentlemen, that is very, very bullish for the crypto market because uncertainty with wars is very bearish and people tend to sell their cryptos. So now that we have certainty there, that is very bullish for cryptocurrencies and investors. As a result, if you look at the stock market, it made new highs, the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ spiking massively on this piece of news, and cryptos did obviously follow. So this is very good overall. We're going to talk about BlackRock. They are quietly accumulating. Where does that mean for XRP? And if you guys go to my Twitter, you can see that I ran this trading account from $150,000 all the way to over $1 million. And I just posted this hours ago. It already has 92,000 views. If you guys want to follow all of my trades when I'm getting in and out of positions, join the Patreon right now. If you guys want to learn how to trade cryptos, join the school tier. So what is next for XRP? Well, based on the charts, if we go to XRP, what we can see is that XRP has now reclaimed this key support of 205, 206, 207. This is a key level for XRP to hold, and I think we probably might dip in the short term back to 205, somewhere around here. And every time we come to this level, we continue to hold. This is a buying opportunity, a time to accumulate or load up. But I do think XRP is now going to be headed to the 260 region. XRP and cryptos are likely to see a big pump. Altcoins have been beaten down massively, and it's time for them to start pumping again, in my opinion. And if they do, I do see XRP reaching this 260 region. After we break this 260 region, we are probably going to see around $3.50, somewhere in this region. So key resistance here, once it breaks, that's going to be a signal to the whales that we are about to make a massive move, and that's what I personally think is going to be happening. So we also have, guess what? Apparently, BlackRock is quietly accumulating. This analyst says that $27 could arrive sooner than expected. So if BlackRock is secretly accumulating and all of these bullish catalysts are taking place behind the scenes for XRP and Ripple, that means XRP has a chance to potentially reach $27 this cycle. Let me know how high you think XRP is going to go in the comments below. But overall, we are bouncing. The market had corrected, and it's quite possible, especially with all this bullish news taking place, interest rate cuts, all of this stuff that's taking place, that we could be seeing higher prices in the near future. Make sure you guys are using ALGOSNIPER. This thing you guys can try today for $1 at ALGOSNIPER.com. It will tell you exactly when to buy and sell at every exact pivot point in the market. And I highly suggest that you guys are trading over on Bluefin. This is a platform where you can long and short cryptos up to 150x leverage, but they're giving away a $10,000 deposit bonus if you sign up using my link below. This is where you guys can trade cryptos with the cheapest fees. So it's very important when you're getting in and out of positions that you have a platform where you can get in and out of positions very cheaply. If you are using Coinbase, if you guys are using Robinhood, any of these major exchanges, they are charging you and making a fortune off the fees of every single trade, and it's very, very bad. So this is where I personally trade. That's going to be it for this video. So if you guys got something out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I will see you later.